Hello. So I just wanted to share some of the books that have really revolutionized my life, and they're books that I used to create Mindful Actor, and just, good reads that have helped me along the way. First up is really my Bible. This is Eastern Body, Western Mind, the Psychology and Chakra System as a Path to the Self. So this is Anna Dea Judith. And when I found this book, I was so lost and was in my early 20s, and was just doing a lot of soul searching. And when I found this book, I was just like, oh man, this is it. This is it. It's like something completely changed inside of me immediately as I started to read it. And I instantly knew how this could help me in my acting. Immediately I realized, wow, why haven't we been learning the chakras in acting classes? And then I also realized it's gonna completely changed the way I do any kind of self-help work. I realized, why aren't we learning about the chakras when we're little kids? And so from there, I just devoured any and all information I could about the chakra system, and I started to use it when I was coaching. I used to coach a lot of my friends with auditions and things like that, and the first time I really used it was with a friend of mine who had to do a scene where he was really panicked and like on the phone and talking to some guy who had like kidnapped his wife. And the scene was like really not real. It was very schmacky, and we didn't really know what to do. And I thought about the chakras, and so I asked him to focus on a certain point and move his energy in a certain way, just like 2 subtle little changes, and then speak from there. And the next time he did the scene, all of a sudden he was like in actual panic. He started crying. It was so real that we both just were like, what was that? What was that? It was so amazing, because then as soon as cut was called, he could let it go and he felt fine, and it was so quick. And so that's when I was like, okay, I'm onto something here. There's something in there. So this book, I can't recommend this book enough. It's a really, really beautiful guide to the chakra system. I often call it the Chakra Bible, because really there's everything that you're going to want to find out about the chakras is in here.